Experience this extraordinary riverside retreat where luxury meets serenity. Nestled on the Willamette River and just outside of Wilsonville, it's situated on more than 1 acre with 100 feet of private river frontage. Designed for unparalleled comfort, this tranquil setting and exceptional property also offer versatility and endless possibilities. Step inside to be greeted by the panoramic views of the river from nearly every room. Relax in the lavish living room with a wood-burning fireplace, then take in the picturesque river views from the expansive deck. The chef's kitchen is ideal for both grand entertaining and everyday convenience, featuring granite countertops, top-of-the-line stainless steel appliances, and ample counter space. 4 fireplaces add warmth and ambiance throughout, while the thoughtful design perfectly combines indoor and outdoor living. Enjoy a dedicated exercise room and a spacious mudroom just off the 3-car garage. Upstairs in the spacious primary suite, wake up to river views from your private deck. Or recharge in the primary bath, complete with a soaking tub, walk-in shower, and coffee bar. Plus a vaulted office or flexible space. And a huge walk-in closet with custom organizers. 2 additional bedrooms feature play lofts and vaulted ceilings. The lower level is ready for making memories with game or movie night. And you'll find another bedroom, wine cellar, and a full bath. Outdoor living here is second to none, with multiple spaces for connecting with nature, entertaining, or hosting intimate gatherings while taking in the sweeping river views. The boat dock features a new hydro hoist lift and new repurposed floats. An income-producing ADU provides incredible value and flexibility. It features a comfortable living space, a kitchenette, 1 bedroom, and a full bathroom with a walk-in shower. This is more than just a home. It's a rare opportunity for a one-of-a-kind riverside retreat, your own private sanctuary. The perfect place to call home. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.